Hello everybody, this is Eartha and welcome to this episode of Beauty Graffiti. Today's look is the SIREN. I had a lot of fun doing this look. The rest of the video will be in time-lapse, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you so much for leaving me a comment, a thumbs up, and definitely subscribe so you'll see all the new uploads first. Okay, let's go. We're gonna always start with primer, and I have to say I'm almost out of my Younique primer. So I seriously saw this at Forever 21, and the reason I tried this brand, if you know what the brand is, face primer, it's just face primer, is because of the second ingredient, dimethicone. So if you guys see dimethicone as a first or second ingredient in your primer, that's how you know you have a good primer. So quality for quality, this definitely, Younique's primer is the top quality primer I have ever tried. This is sort of doing the trick, but it's definitely lesser quality. Both of them are clear just like this, and you want to use just about that much and just rub it on your face, and then you're gonna let it sit for about maybe 3 to 5 minutes before you do makeup. So anywhere you are going to apply your makeup, you want to use your primer. So I'm going to actually apply primer on my neck and chest area because I'm gonna take my makeup down a little bit into those areas to become a siren. So stick around, stick with me here. Cover every area you're gonna have makeup. I'm doing an entire face, so everything, eyelids, brows, and it's actually even good to put primer on your lashes, even for regular everyday use, because it gives your mascara just that little extra to hold on to. So don't be afraid to add primer even on your eyebrows. Okay, let's go. I'm so excited for this look. First thing I'm going to do is use concealer and try to conceal my brows as much as possible, as well as my eyelashes. So I'm going to take this Younique Skin Perfecting Concealer. A little goes a long way. It is just the bombest concealer ever. So I'm going to just tap it on, and I'm going to swipe it across my eyelashes because I want them to disappear for this look. So I'm going to tap it in, push it, tap it, instead of rubbing. So push in place. Push in place. Wow, that's sexy. The rest of this video is going to be on time lapse. So the first thing I'm going to do is make my eyes appear much larger than they are. Then I'm going to start forming the mouth, the face. I'm going to have gills. I'm going to have some bumps up here. And I'll do something on my ears. So all that's going to be in time lapse. Stay with me to the end, and thank you for watching. I'll see you when I'm done. All right, let's go.